Hello, my name is Adil Khan, and I am one of the co-founders at the Awake Projects. We have a aerospace endeavor whereby our dream is to, Rusut and my dream has been to grow food in space, as well as set up a presence for a manufacturing base in space. And our key driver has been uh, the needs on a human basis, also our own needs, because for us to eat healthy food and live in a quality shelter, we start thinking, what if this was possible for everybody? And this is why kind of combining the dots from a future perspective, looking at technology trends, looking at where some of the technologies like robotics, machine learning, computation are going, I started asking the question of how we could harness these technologies in order to make life better for everyone, starting with ourselves in a humble capacity. Um, but also kind of focusing, like, if we can do it for ourselves, then how can we share it with everybody? So that's what we are focused on. That's what me and Rusid have been focused on. Um, the product development phase, I would still say it's an MVP. Right now, we don't have any customers, no sales, but that's what we're working on. In terms of the next challenges, the challenges to raise a little bit of capital so that we can build a lab and hire great engineers who are going to do great work in turning the designs into prototypes and get the sales engine going at the same time, so that we have a uh, work with NASA with regards to the Artemis project, going back to the moon to stay, as well as the Canadian space agencies, ideally all space agencies in the world, because going to space is a global cooperative endeavor, which requires people, institutions working cooperatively for the betterment of all. I'm not sure how intellectual property rights are going to be secured in this reality, but this is why we support development of technology on the blockchain platform, so that you can um, measure uh, developments as they're happening. Eventually, there's going to be enough resources. There are enough resources in outer space from a materials, from an energy perspective, in order to be able to power life for everyone. I think I'm way beyond the 2-minute mark. So let me just share that I have uploaded a 45-minute plus demo for a slide deck. So if you have a chance, please watch that. And I consider myself to be, I was coined by one of my new friends as Space Appleseed, so the name stuck with me. And my job is to just help create mechanisms to make life better for future generations. So that's what I'm focused on. You know, being an entrepreneur, you kind of go through your challenges. There's ups and downs. You kind of question the vision, sometimes too broad, too big, kind of crazy. You also think about how it could go wrong. But as somebody has said, do not let your fears define your future. You know, but at the same time, you need to be vigilant of and anticipate problems before they happen. And I guess from having read a little bit about stoicism. So I'm really sorry I'm way beyond the 2-minute mark, but this is what I wanted to share in the elevator pitch. I hope it's okay to go a little bit beyond, but thank you very much and have a nice day.